McCarthy sydd yno. Elliot Evans. Evans, digon o le ganddo fe. I groesi, a mae'n beniad gan Lam. Ond yn syth at Mike Lewis. Cyfle cynta'r gêm yn dod wedi 6 munud. Rhys, rownd y gornel. Teg at Spencer, Rhys wedi parhau a'i rediad. Parhau i fynd! A'r arbediad yn un dda gan Mike Lewis. Cummins. Ras rhwng Cosby a Clayton Green. Green yn gryf i ennill y bêl na nôl. Tu fewn mae'n mynd at Toure. Toure, sgiliau da, cyfle i groesi. Mae'n beryglus, mae'n mewn! Oh, Mamadou Toure yn taro am y tro cynta y tymor hwn. Munud a hanner yn unig sydd wedi chwarae yn yr ail hanner. Y 15fed gêm i Mamadou Toure a'r Barri y dreigiau sydd ar y blaen. Rafael, gorfod mynd am nôl, ond y bas o ganol ca gan pres yn dod o hyd i McLagan. McLagan yn troi. Mynd i'r llawr, mae'n drosedd a mae'n Gerdyn Melin yn erbyn McLagan sy'n ddadleuol gan David Morgan, ond mae'n llygad i le. Pwysau arno fe gan Emlyn Lewis ac eraill. A McLagan yn mynd i'r llawr yn rhy rwydd ac yn derbyn Melin. Camgymeriad gan Gito Williams. Toure! Dros ben Fuller yn dros ben y bar hefyd. Mor agos i'w ail o'r gêm. Elliot Evans yn dod yn ddwfwn i'w chasglu. Davies ar bas ymlaen at Lam. Dim cam sefyll. Lam! Arbediad da gan Mike Lewis. Cyfnod da i'r myfyrwyr yn pwyso i ddod â'r sgôr yn gyfartal. Rhys at Warman i gyffyrddiad cyntaf mwy na lai. Warman yn defnyddio i gyflymdra'n croesi'n beryglus. Mae'n torri'n garedig i Davies. Davies y bêl yn gwyro. Lewis yn dod, dyw e ddim wedi casglu a mae'n dod oddi ar y linell yr ergyd gan Elliot Evans. Ond y camgymeriad ni wedi bod yn disgwyl trwy'r gêm gan Mike Lewis yn dod a'r myfyrwyr yn methu manteisio. Gavin, a crucial win and one that cements your place now in the top 6.
Yeah, delighted. Really pleased with the lads today. I think that there was a real intensity about us in the first half. It's not easy, you know, back-to-back games against each other. You know, Christian's teams, my teams, we know each other relatively inside out. So to come here today and put in a really dominant performance in the first half was delighted. Second half, I think Cardiff might come into the game a lot more. I've got no doubt about that. But I think we showed a different side to us, and I think Mike was relatively untroubled in the second half.
If you'd taken your first half chances, it could have been a different story.
This is very reflective of the first game on Boxing Day. Over the course of the 2 games, we've had 12 clear-cut chances. Barri have had 4. They take 4 points, we take 1. That's football. Today we weren't as fluid as we were on Boxing Day. We looked a little bit tired. Speculative goal from them, I think, but we've had such unbelievable chances. 2 off the line, Jordan's header inside the 6-yard box. I think there's another header by Jordan, but we just haven't taken them today. But again, that's football. I just spoke to the boys. I'm disappointed for them, for the efforts they've put in. We just need to be more clinical, in both 18-yard boxes, really.
It's great for us to be in the top 6 because these challenges will make us better, these challenges will make us grow, and you know, following a European campaign, which we learned a lot from, the objective was to secure top 6, and then we look to regroup, look to strengthen, and look to kick on.
Following tonight's results, does that end your chances of finishing the top 6?
Until it's mathematically possible, then no. But as we've shown last year, you don't have to finish in the top 6 to get into Europe. We finished 7th last year, and it's doable. So we were in the year before, we finished 6th, and people said that Barri and 7th had the momentum. Well, the top 6 give you that intensity. So I just think it's a great opportunity for the teams in the bottom half of the draw to have something to play towards, particularly those who are sitting around the 7th, 8th spot. So we're in it. Hopefully, we can get 6th. If we don't, you know, always say to the boys, respect where we've come from, because in our first 6 weeks in this league, everyone had us going down, and we're still here 4 years later, and we'll always respect the league. We'll always enjoy every time we play a game of football in the Welsh Premier League. So, yeah, it will be what will be.